Hi, this is Orgomaiti. In this video, I am going to explain about the type of SQL statement. There are several SQL statements and all these SQL statements can be categorized into different types. In the high level SQL statement categorized into 5 types. First one is DQL or DRL, means data query language or data retrieval language. Next is DML. DML stands for data manipulation language. Now we have DDL, means data definition language. Then we have TCL, transaction control language, and we have DCL, data control language. Now let's have a look what are the operation comes under the each category or each classification. Let me pick the first one, DDL. Under the DDL we have create statement, drop, alter and have rename, and we have truncate statement. So these 5 statement comes under DDL. Data definition language means we are touching the definition of a table. Next one is data query language or data retrieval language. The name itself indicates that we are trying something retrieve, but from where? From select statement. So select statement comes under the DQL. Next one, which is data manipulation language, means we are manipulating data inside that table. Under that we have insert, update, delete, lock and call operation. Next classification is data control language. Inside the data control language we have grant and revoke statement. Now next classification is nothing but your transaction control language, TCL. So it is related to transaction, whatever the transaction we are doing in the database. And what are the operations comes? The first one is commit, then rollback, then save point. So this is all about the types of SQL statements and their examples. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.